Hi parents, this is Mrs. Gatto. I just wanted to kind of make you a little video and walk you through how to find your child's reading assignments. So starting this week, I've added some reading assignments that come from McGraw Hill. That is our Wonders reading. So what you're going to need to do is right here, just like you log into Canvas, you guys are going to see right next to Canvas a button that says McGraw Hill Education. You're going to click on that button, and then it's going to bring you to a page. Let it load. Okay, so it's loading. You're going to click here where it says launch. You're going to click launch, and then it's going to come up with two choices. And you will choose the bottom one, the one that says Section D or Period 3. So it's the one here at the bottom. It says Reading Kindergarten, and it has this number 347394, Period 3. You will just put your mouse on it and click it, and then it will bring you to your child's dashboard. So this is the dashboard that your child will see. And if you notice, you have a button here that says to do, and it has a number 4. That means there are 4 assignments that are due today. This block right here are words to know. We have studied the sight word I. So the word that's going to come up is the word that is the one that we're working on this week, which is letter I, word I. So as we continue to learn our new sight words, they will pop up on the screen. You also have the choice to do reading. This is what we did today in class. This is the alphabet book, and this is our rhyme. We read today, Wee Willie Winkle. And you can click on that to find that book that we read today. There are also some options, which is our interactive alphabet, some categorizing names, and a little practice with high frequency words. But what you really want to focus on is the to do button. So when you click on the to do button, it's going to come up with the assignments that are due for the week. So we have here practice the letter B, that was from yesterday. We have interactive alphabet, which was assigned today. Letter C, which you are going to practice today, listening to the story, The Animals in the Park, and practicing letter D. So what I'm going to do is just click on this one, practice letter C. It has the resource here where you're just going to click on it. And then you're just going to play it and follow the directions of there. And then once you have done that, you're going to click on the button submit. When you click on that submit button, that is what gives me the list of students who have completed their assignments. So for example, this was our assignment from today. When you click on this assignment, this is what I see at the end of the day. I can see who has completed the assignment. So you will see the words completed next to your child's name. And if it says assigned, that means that assignment has not been completed yet. So that is how I kind of look at the end of the day to see who has completed their assignments and who has not. And then I can also go in when we get further into our lessons and view the assignment. So that way I can make some notes about what your child is doing great and some areas that your child might need to do some improvements on. So you want to make sure that when you're here and you click on this button, you're going to click there and you're going to see the list of assignments. Now there will probably be more than 4 because each day I have assigned things. If you do not see a green check, that means you have not completed that assignment yet. So you must complete the assignment and then click on the submit button. So that way you guys will be able to have the document that I showed you with your name on it that says the assignment was complete. So you will just click on the picture, and then once you've completed the activity, you're going to click submit. So please make sure, here's the directions. Practice the letters A, B, C, and D on this chart. So you would just open the chart up, and then you would just have your child and yourself practice those letters together. So you would practice the A, the B, and the C, and the D, the ones that we practiced today in class. And you would just follow the example of how we did it this morning in class. This is also a great resource if you're not able to attend our class meeting. It's always a good idea to come on to your dashboard so that you can see all the different assignments to be completed, but you also have access to the books that I read in class, the nursery rhymes that we read in class, our sight words that we're working on. So all of these things are here for you so that you have some extra resources if you're unable to attend our meetings. So please take time today or tomorrow and try to make sure you can log your child into McGraw Hill, and then please make sure we try to get some of those assignments done. So you're going to go just where you go to Canvas. It's right next door to Canvas. You're going to click on McGraw Hill. I hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, please reach out and I'll be happy to help you, walk you through it, and get you on to McGraw Hill, our Wonders program. Thank you.